was completely clothed though with Strawberry Switchblades.
This is a very high budget production. What made you do a Dolly Parton cover version? Well, we'd done it as a session on a Janice Long session. We thought it sounded good, so thought we might as well redo it and put it out as a single.
I like the song.
Yeah. Are you never scared when people do cover versions of being compared unfavourably, both physically and orally, to Dolly Parton?
No.
You don't think so? You come out of that rather well. I think blonde wig and a bit of pattern would be okay. Right, well that is great anyway. I think you compare very favourably indeed.
Thank you.
Better than me anyway.